Hey guys, so we have a quick review of the UPSTONE case for the Sony Xperia 1. Now, I've never heard of UPSTONE, but the case is only $8 on Amazon. It's half the price of the name brand cases that I usually buy, but it does look extremely similar to them. So I went with the black color, but there's also options for blue and burgundy. The packaging is very generic and even says Sony Xperia XE4 on it, in addition to Xperia 1. Now for what matters, inside the packaging we have some plastic wrapping, some styrofoam, and of course the case itself. So the case feels very nice and it's extremely simple to put on. It is only one piece and it's made out of a soft carbon fiber material, so it's flexible. It's not a hard case, but it does snap on pretty nicely and it doesn't feel flimsy. The screen is protected by raised lips on the top, the bottom, and the sides, so it should be able to survive falls, which we'll test in a minute. We also have all the necessary cutouts such as a camera lens, USB Type-C, and the fingerprint scanner. The fingerprint scanner works exactly the same with or without the case, but the cutout in the case does make it a bit easier to locate. The buttons such as the volume rocker are also covered, but they are very responsive and pretty easy to press. Next I did a couple drop tests. So yeah, I know I dropped it on the grass rather than concrete, but it did survive the falls without any issues. I actually think it would survive falls on the concrete too, but I just don't want to risk it. The case overall is extremely thin and has a nice matte texture to it. The only downside is the back is sort of slippery, but the sides do have some nice texture to them, so it is easy to hold. Overall, it's a great case and I would definitely recommend it if you want a thin case, so definitely save your money and buy this over the name brand cases, because this does feel identical to some of the name brand cases that I'll usually buy. Alright guys, so thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions.